Situational English. Expressing uncertainty. Intermediate level. You aren't sure about something. How will you say it? I don't know for sure, but I think we can find the answer here. I'm not really sure, but I believe the meeting is at 10 o'clock. I'm not sure about that, but I can look it up for you. I'm not sure what to think, but it seems like a good idea. I'm not too sure about that. I'm not really confident, but I'll give it a try. I'm not entirely confident, but I think we should give it a try. I'm not entirely clear on that. I'll double check and get back to you. I'm not fully convinced that this is our best option. I'm not entirely sold on this idea.